Hello friends, I am again in front of you people to discuss further prosperous life. In the last session we have discussed about how we can make ourselves happy and how we can decide our definition for the prosperity. So first of all we discussed on that day also that our human body is the first priority for the prosperity. We have and we must keep this body fit and smart. How it will be happen? Whatever the sages in India, they told that we have to live according to the nature. If naturally we are managing ourselves, we are keeping ourselves according to the situation and conditions of the nature, then we can make ourselves fit. For this purpose, we have practice yoga and some Ayurvedic methods by which we can make ourselves healthy. One thing is more here. Healthy means we are healthy when we are physically, mentally, and socially we are healthy. At that time, this is called that a particular person is healthy person. If we have the healthy mind and we are giving the proper nutrition and good thoughts in our mind, then we can do better. Whatever we are thinking, we are becoming that. And for that, thinking comes in our mind, that is becoming in the words, and words are becoming in the action. By this way, we are changing our life. For this purpose, to maintain ourselves, there should be the purity in the mind, and purity comes with the only chanting of the name of the Lord. Today is the Yoga Day, World Yoga Day. In the world wide, this program is going on. We have to make ourselves with friendly with the yoga. In the Indian mythology, in the Sanatan mythology, this is the very important thing. And also we have to keep our surrounding good. In ancient time in India, people were worshipping the trees. They were worshipping the sun. They are worshipping the moon. All the natural resources, what is here, they are worshipping. Even that, they are worshipping water. And there is myth also, if you are wasting water uselessly, it means your life will be wasted. Today we are seeing this. The destruction of the foreign forest resources. By this way, the coverage of shade on the land that is decreasing. Because of that, the increasing of the heat all over the world. And recently, some scientists told that world cannot do anything to the destruction of the glacier ice. Why? Because we have destructed the trees and the forest resources. They are not here. We are so much greedy for our own self. We are not thinking for the next generation. So when we are worshipping water, don't waste water. Today, even in some parts of the world, they are so much disturbed that there is no drinking water. This is the true fact that water is in the same quantity when it was created until now date. But problem is this, that drinking water, fresh water is diminishing from here. Rain water is not here. Rain harvesting is also decreasing. So this is the responsibility of our as a human being. If I will respect you, you will respect me. If you will give respect to others, they will also respect you. In this world, each and everything is in the system of the barter system. If you are giving anything, then you are taking anything. Even that, God has also created this rule. When you are giving one breath to the nature, at that time you are able to take the other breath from the nature. If you are not delivering your breath, you are not giving your breath to the nature, nature will not allow you to take the breath in free of cost. When we are respecting these natural resources, we are protecting them. Water resources, forest resources, animals are there. This planet is there. When we will keep them safe and when we will protect them, at that time we are also protected by them. If we are protecting the nature, nature will also protect us. So we have to take care of these things, that how we are going to preserve them, to save them, and we have to plant more and more trees. Why we are telling these things? We will be healthy due to the good oxygen. In the city areas there is no oxygen. No oxygen is there. The air quality index is always decreasing. They are not able to take the good quality of breathe. All these segments are there. What I am telling, these segments are there. Little segments are. When we are gathering all of them, then we are able to make our body fresh, because this body is made by the Pancha Tattva. This body is made up of Pancha Tattva. Chiti, Jal, Pavak, Gagan, Samir. By this earth, by the water, by the space, with the air. So 5 elements are there by which our body is prepared. So when we are balancing these 5 things in our body, at that time you can understand our body will be safe and healthy. And by this way, we have to also be very careful, be very careful for the good thinking and good thought. And this thought is coming only due to the good education and education with the sanskar. I am focusing on the sanskar, the education with sanskar. The definition of sanskar, what you will understand, you should also try to understand. We will discuss in next session that what is the sanskar, and without sanskar, education is useless. So inculcate good virtues in your wards, in your children, in your next generation, and try to make yourself healthy. Take pranayam, do yogas, and also depend on Ayurveda. Jai Shri.